something don't show up.
We get down there and roads are off the road. I used to do before I feed them, I'd shut the gate. Then when they clear the bucket around, let me feed, they couldn't get in. And then after I would put the feed out, they would kind of get tired and mosey up. Then when I opened the gate, they'd all come running in. They'll knock you over. Yeah, that was right the truth.
¿Ya los viste? Sorry.
Hola. Gigantes de esos cuernos. Ay, Dios. Por ese teléfono. Hola.
O sea, ¿cuánto pesarán sus cuernos?
You'd have to go through your gate.
No, amor, yo creo que unos 50 kilos cada cuerno.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, kid.
Hola. Dile ese cuerno a tu mamá. No, ve esos cuernotes, mamá. No manches, beso.
Sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Oh, sorry, kid.
Ya.
All right, let's give a round of applause. Hey, once again, we're really glad that you're out here with us today. We have a lot going on here in the Stockyards.
Well, that's it for the Fourth Ward Stockyard Cow Ride. Bye.